Kodak 43 inches 4K Ultra HD Smart Android LED TV. Product information. Powerful speakers with Dolby MS12. Introducing Dolby MS12 along with features such as the Dolby Digital Plus and the DTS True Surround Sound, which provides nothing less than a visual and aural spectacle. Bezel-less design. The elegant and stylish bezel-less design will blend well with your living room's aesthetics and provide a premium feel at all times. MEMC for smooth motion pictures. The motion estimation, motion compensation, MEMC technology will make even the fast-moving visuals appear smooth by minimizing lag. Android 10. Smartphone-like experience on your TV, thanks to the user-friendly Android 10 interface for all-in-one situations. Unlimited applications, top apps, games, movies and more are available on Google Play Store. Bring home Kodak TV and enjoy entertainment at your fingertips. Performance, delight and an enthralling visual experience with boundless performance. It is equipped with a quad-core CPU, Mali quad-core GPU, and a clock speed of 1.5 GHz. Multiple connectivity. Connect peripherals to this TV with multiple ports including USB 2.0, HDMI ARC-CEC, and Bluetooth version 5.0. Operate the Chromecast, Android, or AirPlay, iOS app to cast your screen. Realistic gaming experience. Experience realistic gaming with HDR10 technology and 4K display. Never miss any frame and enjoy a wonderful gaming experience on this TV. Work from home. The multiple connectivity options and easy cast function make it easy for you to cast your laptop or mobile to this TV, making work from home a whole lot easier. Best Buy link description.